Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to send money overseas from the Philippines using Wise. But before we get started, if you use the link from the description below to create your own Wise account, you will be charged no fees on the first $1,000 that you transfer using Wise. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and log into your Wise account. Then from here, you want to choose send. Then you want to make sure this is set to PHP. Then you want to choose your recipient, the currency of the recipient. For example, let's use USD here. Then go ahead and enter the amount. For example, 50,000 PHP. From here, you can also change your payment method. But once done, you can go ahead and click Add Recipient. And on this page, you have the option to choose Find on Wise, upload screenshot, but you can also go ahead and fill out the details by choosing Bank Details. Then you want to choose someone else. Then on this page, all you need to do is enter the recipient's detail. So you can also choose the type of transfers from here. You have three options. Then go ahead and proceed with typing in the recipient's detail, their full name, email, city, and most importantly, their account number. And once that's all filled out, just go ahead and hit continue to get to the next page where you'll have to review all the details one last time before proceeding with the transfer. That's it. The money will be converted automatically and sent straight to your recipient's account, usually within minutes or a few hours, depending on the method. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.